I'll show you in this video how to change the currency on your store. So let's jump right into this video, and if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe for more. I really appreciate it. So what you're gonna have to do here is just click on edit here. Click on edit website. Of course, select the right website, log in your Onhostinger account, and then from here we're gonna have to click on online store. All right, and then from here we have store settings. So please click on store settings. And once we are in store manager, from here in store details, we have currency. So that's how you change the currency on your online store. You can click on here and now change the currency to your favorite currency. All right. You can also change from here your store name and the measurement system. All right. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you save this, and thanks for watching and subscribe for more. I really appreciate it.